Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Spectrum streaming app on your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to start watching live TV and on-demand content. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your smart TV, such as the LG Content Store, Samsung Smart Hub, or your TV's specific app marketplace. Step 3. Search for the Spectrum TV app by typing Spectrum into the search bar. Step 4. Select the Spectrum TV app from the search results and click Install or Download to add it to your TV. Step 5. Once the app is installed, open it from your list of installed apps. Step 6. The Spectrum TV app will display an activation code on your TV screen along with instructions to visit spectrum.net, self-install, or a similar activation URL. Step 7. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to the activation website provided. Step 8. Log in to your Spectrum account using your Spectrum username and password. Step 9. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 10. Click Activate or Submit to complete the linking process. Step 11. Return to your smart TV and wait for the Spectrum TV app to refresh and display your available channels and content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.